The 2025 Ford Puma represents a compelling option in the subcompact SUV segment, offering a blend of style, practicality, and fun-to-drive dynamics. Exterior design asterisk. The Puma's styling is arguably its strongest point. It boasts a sporty and distinctive look with its coupe-like roofline, pronounced wheel arches, and unique high-mounted headlights. The 2025 model year likely carries over the refreshed design from 2024, which includes subtle tweaks to the front grille and lighting elements, keeping the Puma looking fresh and modern. Interior and practicality asterisk. Inside, the Puma offers a surprisingly spacious cabin for its class. The design is contemporary, with a focus on functionality. The highlight is the large 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which is intuitive and user-friendly. Material quality is decent, though some hard plastics are present. A standout feature is the Megabox in the trunk, a deep storage compartment that expands cargo capacity and adds versatility. Rear passenger space is adequate for adults on shorter journeys, but taller individuals might find it a bit cramped. Driving experience asterisk. The Puma shines when it comes to driving dynamics. It's based on the Ford Fiesta platform, which translates to agile handling and a fun-to-drive character. The steering is precise, and the suspension strikes a good balance between comfort and control. The Puma feels confident and composed on various road conditions. Engines and performance asterisk. The 2025 Puma is expected to offer a range of 1.0-liter EcoBoost 3-cylinder engines, likely with mild hybrid assistance for improved efficiency. These engines provide a good balance of performance and fuel economy. A sportier ST version with a more powerful engine and enhanced performance features is also available. Trim levels and features asterisk. Ford offers the Puma in various trim levels, each with increasing levels of equipment. Even the base model comes with a decent array of features, including the touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone connectivity, and safety technologies. Higher trims add features like automatic climate control, navigation, premium sound systems, and advanced driver assistance systems. Fuel economy asterisk. Thanks to its efficient engines and lightweight construction, the Puma delivers impressive fuel economy. The mild hybrid versions are particularly frugal, making them a great choice for those seeking to minimize running costs. Reliability asterisk. Ford has generally improved its reliability in recent years, and the Puma is expected to be a dependable vehicle. However, it's always advisable to check for any reported issues or recalls. Pricing asterisk. The 2025 Ford Puma is competitively priced in the subcompact SUV segment. However, prices can climb as you move up the trim levels and add optional features.